Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain's chart is in a possible uptrend after the price broke out of this corrective price channel that you see here on the chart. The idea is that, in this potential 1-2 setup, I mean, it's not confirmed yet, that breakout, because we have not yet seen the price sustain above either the 21st of December high or the 24th of December high. So there was an attempted breakout, but it's not broken out yet. So, but it's holding, okay? It's holding. So there could be some further upside in the next few days, over the next few sessions that I'm watching for. The idea is currently that we are moving up in a third wave. That would be yellow wave 3 to the upside after the price formed a local 1-2 setup, after which we normally expect further upside then in a third wave. So that's the idea, that is the structure that needs to play out in order to confirm further a substantial low has formed in circle 4 on the 20th of December. Price reacted to this support area, and again, we could still see the price go lower potentially, as per the white scenario, if the price breaks micro support and then also breaks below the previous wave 2 support, which is located between 4.1 and 4.3 cents, then the lower support region will be relevant again. It's not preferred at this stage, but I also cannot rule it out. Therefore, it is still on the chart for risk management purposes. Looking at the smaller time frame, I'm gonna focus on the yellow scenario as long as we hold support. In the last update, I presented you with a support zone here between 4.88 cents and 5.1 cents. And the idea is that this 4.8 cent or 4.88 cent level is holding. And now I don't have a very clear microstructure. It could be a 1-2 setup. We'll see how it all comes together. It's not very clear, that microstructure. But if a third wave is unfolding, then the market should ideally hold that. Okay. Below the 4.88 cent level, this support area here in the middle comes back into focus. Therefore, they still are on the chart. They remain on the chart because they remain relevant, right? And in this case, we would be dealing with the 4.1 to 4.3 cent level. But there are 3 opportunities where, for the buyers to step in, either here for a direct move up, okay, any break from here, any break from here. So on the micro level, still 3 potential bullish scenarios, because pullbacks remain corrective while the moves to the upside are potentially impulsive. And important is to understand the first ideal target for this yellow third wave is located at 6.3 cents. And it's also important to understand where local resistance could occur. For that, we can add the VRVP to the chart, a volume profile indicator. It's the visible range, because it tells us within the visible range here that we're tracking where could be some volume or resistance based on historical volume. Now, particular chart I'm tracking here doesn't really give us that information, but we can easily check Binance and activate that VRVP indicator. So on the micro level here, if we can make it a little bit more fine-grained. We can make it a bit more fine-grained. Normally I like to use sort of row size. Can change that. Make it a bit more, a bit smaller. And that's enough, So on the way up, there could be a cluster of resistance here in this area around 5.6 cents. You see this spike here. On the way down, the point of control is around 4.6 cents. So this would be support here, and if I zoom out, actually a little lower here, around 4.3 to 4.6 cents could be historical volume support, so buyers could step in specifically there. On the way up, resistance around 5.6 cents. I would definitely pay attention to that. And on the way up further then, around 6.7 cents. It's important to be aware of these spikes on the volume profile indicator. They're not like, doesn't mean the price couldn't move above, but it might mean this is where we have to expect a little bit of a chop. Now, what is interesting is when that happens, or when we're moving into these areas, and in the same area we actually have Fibonacci resistance, this, we have to watch out for additional resistance there. Yeah. But for now, we're focusing on higher on the very short term chart, as long as upper micro support is holding. think parameters are very clear. You see, while I record this video, the price has already reacted to the golden ratio level, very important FIB level. Nice reversal candle. We just need to see now if the buyers can continue to drive the price up, and then any break above that Friday high could send the price towards this 6.3 cent level, third wave target. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.